Woodworking is a versatile and rewarding craft that can lead to profitable projects, especially for those looking to start a small business or generate some extra income. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Quick build projects are an excellent way to tap into this potential, allowing you to create items that not only sell well but can also be completed with minimal time investment. Here are some ideas for woodworking projects that can be built quickly and sold for profit. One popular item is simple wooden signs. These can be tailored to various markets, including home decor, business signage, or personalized gifts. Using pine or cedar, you can create rustic signs with messages, family names, or inspirational quotes. You can quickly carve or paint these words onto the wood and finish them with a clear protective coat. Given their customizable nature, they can appeal to a wide audience, from homeowners looking to decorate their spaces to businesses wanting to promote their brand. Selling these at local craft fairs or online marketplaces can yield a good return on your investment. Another quick project is wooden crates. These versatile storage solutions can be built using just a few pieces of lumber and basic tools. Crates can serve various purposes, such as home organization, garden storage, or even furniture. Profit. They're particularly popular in areas with a strong DIY culture, where consumers seek functional yet aesthetic solutions. Birdhouses are beloved projects, especially during the spring and summer months. Crafting birdhouses provides an opportunity to showcase your woodworking skills while appealing to nature enthusiasts. These can be made from scrap wood, making them cost-effective. Custom designs can attract buyers, especially if you include features for different bird species. Paint or stain can be added for aesthetic appeal, and selling these at local gardening stores, farmers markets, or online platforms can yield excellent profits. Quick assembly and unique designs can differentiate your offerings in a crowded market. Adirondack chairs are another lucrative woodworking project. While they do require a bit more time than some simpler projects, they can still be built relatively quickly, especially with a consistent design template. Made from weather-resistant wood, they are ideal for outdoor use and can be marketed to homeowners looking to upgrade their patios or gardens. By offering different finishes or colors, you can attract a broader customer base. Once constructed, these chairs can be sold at local fairs, online, or through social media platforms, where visuals can greatly influence sales. Wooden toys are not only nostalgic but also in demand, particularly eco-friendly options. Simple toys like blocks, spinning tops, or pull-along animals can be made quickly and appeal to parents who prefer non-plastic alternatives. Using non-toxic finishes ensures safety, making these products attractive to health-conscious consumers. Marketing them can be as simple as creating a strong online presence via social media or local craft shows. While still delivering a beautiful product. Picture frames can be customized in size, shape, and finish, allowing for personalization options that customers enjoy. Frames made from reclaimed wood can be particularly popular in eco-conscious markets, appealing to buyers who appreciate sustainability. These could be sold through local art galleries or online platforms dedicated to handmade goods, creating a profitable avenue for your woodworking endeavors. Garden decor are also appealing for quick woodworking projects. With the rising interest in indoor gardening and home decor, custom plant stands can attract various customers. You can create several designs, including multi-tiered options to accommodate multiple plants. Staining or painting them in trendy colors can enhance their attractiveness to potential buyers. Seasonal gardens or holiday-themed stands can create additional sales opportunities throughout the year, making this a flexible project. Key holders and wall shelves are functional items that people always need. By whipping up a few designs for simple wall-mounted shelves or decorative hooks, you can create products that serve everyday purposes. These projects can be completed quickly and can easily be customized with different wood finishes or designs to suit various tastes. Marketing these items to homeowners looking to organize their spaces can lead to consistent sales. Cutting boards and cheese boards are also quick builds that can command a good price. By utilizing hardwoods like maple or walnut, you can create high-quality, durable boards ideal for cooking enthusiasts and gift givers. Simple designs that incorporate unique patterns or shapes can elevate the product, making them appealing on the market. Personalized engraving options can further boost interest. You can create sets of coasters that can be customized in shape and design. Coasters are popular as gifts and can be marketed to a range of consumers, from college students to homeowners. Simple branding or theme designs can enhance their attractiveness and allow for them to be sold in sets, maximizing profit margins. Wine racks are quick projects that can appeal to wine enthusiasts or those looking for a stylish storage solution. Simple designs can hold a few bottles and fit well in kitchens or dining areas. You can create various styles, from freestanding to wall-mounted designs, and finishing them with wood stains can enhance their appearance. Given the popularity of wine culture, these racks can be marketed effectively through local wine shops or online craft platforms. Furniture pieces like side tables can also be designed for quick production. By using a straightforward square or rectangular design, you can create functional furniture that attracts customers looking for affordable pieces. Side tables can be marketed to dormitories, apartments, or homes, ensuring a broad market. Custom finishes, such as painting or distressed looks, can set your pieces apart and increase their appeal. Lastly, wooden puzzles and games are another avenue for creating quick-build woodworking projects. By designing simple shapes or multi-piece puzzles, you tap into a market that values educational play for children. These projects can be completed efficiently with minimal materials, and personalization options can be included to make them even more attractive to parents. Craft fairs, online platforms, and local stores that specialize in children's goods offer excellent selling opportunities for these products. By focusing on these quick-build woodworking projects, you can make the most of your skills while generating profit. Many of these ideas leverage simple designs and straightforward techniques, allowing you to produce multiple items in a short amount of time. The key to success lies in identifying your target market and effectively promoting your products. With an innovative approach, efficient production methods, and engaging marketing strategies, you'll be well on your way to turning your woodworking passion into a profitable venture. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.